What is up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. Now, I was getting ready to go over to Best Buy to get the Google TV streamer 4K, but I decided to stop over here in the mall parking lot to show you exactly what I've been doing for the last week or so. As you see, I got an On 4K Pro, and I got this little device right here. This little device is called the Car TV Mate Pro. It's a 2-in-1. I will leave this in the description. Now, you may say, well, Dale, what is this? This device right here allows you to connect any type of HDMI device to your car monitor. As long as your car has a USB or a Type-C, you will be able to connect it on some cars. I don't know about them older cars, but you know, if your car like 6 years and under, I think you will be fine. All right, but I could be wrong. But again, this device right here, as you see, it has HDMI input, not an output. This is an input. All right, because I'm going to connect this device into here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this into my USB port of my car, and it should display on my monitor, which is right there in the middle. As you can see, it got 97.9 on it. Disregard that monitor right there. All right, disregard that one. We talking about that one right there. As you can see with 97.9, that's the monitor that comes with my car. Also, in this package right here, it does come with a Type-C, because I know some of the newer cars, which I even have a Type-C as well. All right, let me shrink that for you. It does come with that as well. This is the Type-C adapter, so if your car has it, you can connect it to here. But again, any HDMI, I don't care if it's a Fire Stick, a On 4K, a Apple, an NVIDIA Shield, your game. All right, your game. Shoot, you can even include a Blu-ray player or a DVD player that has HDMI out. You should be able to use this device right here, all right, to display your unit on your monitor. Now, you might say, well, why does it have a USB before we go inside of my car? Well, it has this for the simple fact, if you have a Fire TV stick, instead of you using the power to plug in, like I'm going to physically plug in, because my car actually has DC out, or DC if I'm not mistaken. The language could be wrong, but I do have a power plug in the back of my car, like a lot of pickup trucks and SUVs. But if you got a Fire Stick, you'll be able to just power your device right into the USB port, all right? And then go from there. So let's get this party started, guys. I'm taking this, the Car TV Mate Pro, all right, and I'm taking this box, all right. So you're gonna see me do this in real time. So again, the focus is on here, right? That's where I'm going. This monitor right here with 97.9 on it, all right. So I'm gonna just sit that here. I'm gonna take out the Google TV. All right, you'll see me take this out, sit this right here. All right, got the HDMI cord, as you see, got the remote, which will go right here, and I got the power. All right, and again, because my device, right, I can just plug it in. If you do not have a power plug inside of your car, you can always go with a cigarette power inverter, a cigarette lighter power inverter. All right, just go on Amazon and you will see it. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just stick the power cord in here. If I can get it in. All right. Let me do this. And again, I'm doing this with one hand, guys. So, again, excuse me. All right. So, I'm going to get ready to power this on because, again, I can power this on in my car. Okay. I'm going to power this. And there it is. It's powered. So, you should see the lights come on. While I'm doing that, you should see the lights for the device come on, letting you know it has power. But while it's doing that, as you see, there go one light right there. You see it? You see how it's powering on? All right. So I'm going to just turn it over right quick. And I'm going to put the HDMI cord in. So hold up. Okay. As you see, now the HDMI cord is in here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Car TV Mate Pro, right? I'm going to take this, and I'm going to leave the description inside. I'm going to leave this link in the description of this video, okay? So I'm going to plug it into my USB port right here. And again, I might have to do it with my right hand. All right, so let me go on and do that. Once you power it on, you should see like a red light. Hopefully you see it come on. And once you get that, and guess what? You get this. Now, CarPlay is for iPhones. HDMI is for any type of HDMI device. If your device has HDMI output, you can use this device to plug it in. Okay, as simple as that. So let me show you again. All right, I'm gonna take it out. All right, and just to show you, I'll hit the home and go back into the radio. And I'm gonna plug it back in. And again, you will see it. It's gonna pop up. All right, simple, it's just plug and play. So now I'm going to take the other end of the HDMI and plug it into the device. And we should get, once I plug it in, we should get some type of image. All right. Okay, so now you see it's plugged in. And just so you see the cord is going into the device. So you see it. Is right there, right there. There's no hidden, no tricks or nothing like that. But you see it says CarPlay, which I don't want because I don't have iPhone. Well, I do have one, but I'm not using it for that. And I got HDMI. My screen is touchscreen, so all I have to do is touch it, and voila, I got, Google TV on my monitor. Not this monitor, but the manufacturer's monitor. So now where is my remote? Remote is right here, and I can go into it. As you see right here, I can go down, I can go up, I can go and select whatever I want. I can hit the home button, I can go down. So if I wanted to watch Cody, I could. Plex, I could. Live TV, see what's going on with my news. If I want to watch Netflix, I could. Prime Video, absolutely I could. It's as simple as that, guys. Now, let me tell you something. With this device right here, say I don't want to stream. Maybe I just want to get a flash drive or an external hard drive and plug it in. I can do that with this device right here, the ON 4K Pro. I can do it with that, and I can go into a file manager and I can watch my films, whether 720, 1080p, or 4K on this monitor. Now, you're not going to get a 4K image. I think this does like 720. It's really clear. It's very, very nice, but it's not going to display 4K, all right? I'm telling you that now. But if I wanted to watch 4K on this device, you're not going to get it. You could play it, but it's not going to display the 4K image on this device because I think my screen is like 720 in my car. But it is what it is. I think the picture is pretty good. It's lit up. It's fine. Hopefully it shows it on the camera. And it works, guys. It works. Now, one of the cons is there's a slight delay when you're using USB. Just a slight delay, all right? So whenever you pulled over, you park, you're letting your wife shop, or maybe the wife is letting her husband shop, or significant other, whatever, all right? You can just sit there and watch it, and it's just a little bit off because you're dealing with Bluetooth. But other than that, guys, I think this is well done. It's great. It works. I've used it probably for about 3-4 days since I had it, and everything works well. I mean, as you see, I'm controlling it, and it's on my manufacturer monitor for this vehicle, all right? And so I just wanted to show y'all that, again, whatever device you want, Fire Stick, Apple TV, NVIDIA Shield, Xbox, PS5, Blu-ray player, it doesn't matter. If it has HDMI out, you can use it. By the way, I even connected my phone, and it came up with Samsung DeX. I bullcrap you not. I connected my phone, and it came up with Samsung DeX on this bad boy. All right? So it does work, but you're going to have to get you like a Bluetooth mouse or something that connect to your phone to actually run it. But at the end of the day, it does work, guys. Hey, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Leave it. Share this video. Thumbs up the video. I just wanted to show you that, man, it's getting easier and easier for us to take our devices on the road and use it. Whenever we're sitting somewhere and we're waiting and we're chilling and maybe we just want to catch up with a TV show, you can definitely do that with this Car TV Mate Pro, all right? But I got to get over here. and hit the store right here, Best Buy, for the new Google TV streamer 4K box, all right? I got to hit it, okay? And that's what I'm about to do. Again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment area. If you like it, thumbs up the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you can, click that bell notification and select all, okay? And again, it just works, all right? Google TV is on my monitor using the ARM 4K Pro, but you can use NVIDIA Shield, Fire Sticks, Apple TV, the Google Streamer, right? Once you get you an HDMI cord, Google Streamer, you can use all of that plus any type of HDMI output device. Game consoles, everything, guys. I appreciate you. I look forward to reading your comments, and we will go from there, guys. Salute, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace. All right, let's go. We got to get to Best Buy. Hurry up.